Lauren, what do we need to know as we just continue this stretch of extreme heat?
I'm going to show you that coming up in that complete 7-day forecast. All of those 12 news weather impact alert days due to the ongoing dangerous heat. So if you can help it, limit your time outside. If you have to work outside for a living, it's so important you stay hydrated by drinking a lot of water, even if you don't feel thirsty, and take as many breaks in the shade as possible. Make sure pets are staying inside, keeping cool in the AC, and that they have a lot of water. We're talking a forecast high of 116. That is up several degrees compared to today's average high. And if this forecast pans out, that's going to tie that 1983 record high temperature. I guess it could always be worse, though. I mean, our hottest day still so far to date, June 21st of this year. That's when the mercury spiked to 117 at Phoenix Sky Harbor. So it looks like over these next few days, we're going to fall just short of that. But still, 116 today, tomorrow, and Sunday, coming in at around 115. And this is more or less going to be the same song and dance here. You combine that with the high humidity, it feels not great at all. And currently we have that sharp dew point contrast from the northern to the southern half of the state, but it's just going to hit you like a wall. Not quite enough moisture, though, to trigger widespread showers and storms. So you notice later today here on our 12 News exclusive monsoon meter, ones from the White Mountains and south. If, and that's a big if, anyone is going to catch one of those isolated storms, it's going to be during the dinner hours, and it will be mainly to the southeast of Tucson. So watch right here in the futurecast around 2 to 3 o'clock today. That's when enough afternoon heating and instability will be present to trigger those hit or miss storms, mainly south of the Old Pueblo. And those storms will drift south toward the state line there through 6, 7 o'clock tonight. And by 10 p.m., everywhere should be calm. You're dry out the door tomorrow morning. Back at it, we're just going to bake under abundant sunshine. We'll hit the dinner hours again on Saturday. Pima County, western Pima County, that's when you can't completely rule out that hit or miss storm. For us in the higher deserts, Flagstaff, the high country, we're actually staying dry later today and all weekend. It's not until later next week, past next Tuesday, when our storm potential will really start to ramp up again. Check out how we're doing when all is said and done. Valley-wide, highs up to 116, and that is today's record high temperature west toward the Colorado River. Some locations like Parker, Lake Havasu, you're going to be spiking above the 120 mark. Flagstaff, a high of 90. Winslow to Prescott and Sedona in those triple digits. You can't even head north to escape this high heat. Through Tuesday, that's when that excessive heat warning is posted. But since that warning will likely get extended beyond Tuesday, I have each day tagged with that 12 News Weather Impact Alert Day, as we are not backing off anytime soon from that dangerous heat.